LegalZoom's registered agent service is designed to help business owners stay compliant and organized. When you sign up for this service, LegalZoom acts as the official point of contact for your business, receiving important legal documents like tax notices, lawsuits, and government correspondence on your behalf. The service ensures you never miss an important deadline or document, helping you focus more on running your business and less on administrative tasks. One of the major benefits of LegalZoom's registered agent service is their online document management system. You'll be able to access all your important documents at any time from anywhere through your LegalZoom account. They will forward documents to you promptly, ensuring you stay on top of things. LegalZoom also provides compliance alerts so you are notified when it's time to file your annual report or renew your business licenses. This proactive approach reduces the risk of penalties or late fees, keeping your business in good standing. By using LegalZoom's registered agent service, you can also keep your personal address off public records. This helps maintain your privacy and security, especially if you're working from home or operating your business in a small office space. If you want a stress-free way to handle your legal documents and compliance tasks, LegalZoom's registered agent service is a great option. It's simple, reliable, and perfect for entrepreneurs who want to stay focused on growing their business. Interested in getting LegalZoom's registered agent service? Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more helpful tips, and drop a comment below if you have used LegalZoom service before. What's been your experience? Let us know.